video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today with a kind of an unboxing video. During this time of social distancing and self-isolation, I did what I did best. I went shopping, and I did it online. So, I couldn't hit the thrift stores, but I hit up the online thrift stores such as Poshmark, Mercari, Depop, eBay, you name it. I've been perusing, and let's just say that in the past few days I made a couple, within the past week I've made some purchases, and this is the first item that's come in, and it's from Poshmark. So I need to open it already so that I can rate the seller and all that stuff so that they can get their money. So it did come this morning. I disinfected it, I sprayed it down and everything to the best of my ability, and after I open it right now, I'm gonna set it aside for a few days, but I have it right here, and I'm super duper excited. Here, I just wanted to hop in really quick and let you guys know that we're having an Easter sale in the shop. itsHadrian.com. Everything is going to be 30% off, and there are already items that are discounted 20% off, but they will also receive an extra 30% off as well. Just make sure to message me first so I can discount the items for you, and then you can go ahead and purchase. But yeah, everything in the shop, extra 30% off. Go check it out. itsHadrian.com, and that's going to run until Monday. Love you guys. See you guys later. Because this is something, it's crazy because this is something that I have been wanting to get into my collection for a while. And this actual same exact bag was purchased by someone else maybe a week or a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. And I guess the person canceled the order, and then the original seller posted it back up, and I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, it's the same bag. I was like, what happened? So I was able to get it. I got an amazing price. And I love Poshmark because if you purchase anything $500, oh, also this video is not sponsored or anything, I just do love Poshmark. So if you purchase anything $500 or more on Poshmark, it automatically gets sent to the Poshmark headquarters to get authenticated, so that you have peace of mind with your purchase, and they inspect it and all that stuff, and then they mail it to you. And what else was I gonna say? Oh, and also I think I asked a couple of you guys, I think I asked in a YouTube video previously about if anyone's purchased anything after this quarantine started and whether or not it takes a long time to get the item. This one was very quick. This came really fast. I think I purchased this on well, not super quick because it's already Friday. I purchased this Saturday. I don't know, for some reason I thought it was going to take even longer. But I purchased this on Saturday. I think it was mailed out on Monday. Then I went to the Posh headquarters and I got here. So I opened it up. Gosh, I'm so excited for this. I'm going to dump the paper on there. Okay, so here is the item. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. It's amazing. So here it is. It's even more beautiful in person. Okay, so this is the Saint Laurent Sac du Jour. I forget if it's the baby or the nano. It's I think it's, I don't know, is it the smallest size? But oh my gosh, this is the one that I really wanted. So this is the one in the black pebbled calfskin leather. And instead of having it gold foiled, it's actually stamped right there, the Saint Laurent. Which is awesome, because there's no chance of it rubbing off. This is what the card looks like when you get the bag with the authentication and everything. So really cool. Just gonna leave that in there. And then this also does have a crossbody strap. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited for this bag. It is so stinking cute. I do have this in the largest size. But the version I have, I think, is one of the first like iterations of the bag when it first came out, and it didn't have the long strap, which I think is essentially what I have been yearning for. And I just feel like that bag is just like a little too large for me for like every, well, not really, but it's a little bit larger, and I just wish that I could carry it in more different ways. Like, you literally just have to carry it in your top hat or the crook of your arm. Can't carry it on your shoulder or anything. I do still love it though, but oh my gosh, you guys, this bag is so... So there's the crossbody strap right there on it. And does it come with a key? Oh yeah, the key is inside right here, which is really, really cute. Now this is the smaller size, so it doesn't have, there's usually, like the larger bags have like a middle divider, a zipper pocket. This one does not have that. In fact, it's just like open in the middle. And then it has like little belts on the sides like that, which you can undo and like stretch out the bag if you want, or just have it closed up and snap down. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And for some reason, it does come also with a little lock. For the larger ones, like the lock, you can put it on to the middle zipper part and then keep that part locked so you can't open it without the key. But again, this one does not have that, so it's just purely decorative, but I do not mind. It is a little bit dirty on the inside, but honestly that's like so easy to clean, and I got this at such an amazing deal. Usually these bags go for so much, and though if you buy these brand new, the resale value is a lot less, but if you buy them pre-loved at a great price, you can still make a little bit of money off of them if you resell them. But I believe that I'm going to be keeping this one in the collection at least for a while. Look how cute it is. It looks like a little mini Birkin, right? It's so nice. I love it. I love the little details on it. I love the black leather. It's so amazing. It's so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so there's the front, there's the back, these are the sides. Look at like the little, I know these are called like gussets or whatever. It does have like some like white marks on it. I think I'm gonna do a video for how to like clean up your bags like this one. I'm just gonna show you guys like what I normally do when I receive a bag, either if I purchase it secondhand or like anything like this. It'll show you guys what I do to the bags to like just fix them up and get them looking their best, whether or not I keep them in my collection or I put them up for resale for you guys. There's also some marks on the back. Do you see that? I don't know if it's picking up properly because the light might be like a little too intense reflecting, but you can see there's kind of like white marks. So there's those marks as well, and there's also some marks right here and then underneath. Do you see that? Underneath the pocket. But again, those really are not things that you should be really too worried about, especially with a black bag. You can get away with a lot when the bag is black. It's really, really easy to fix it up. And then you can also see on the little lock clochette thing, you can see that there's like some, I don't know if it's lightning or dirt or something, but it's definitely like some sort of color situation going on with there. And that might just be from being dry or from friction. So again, I'm going to let the bag sit for a few days. And actually I know that the bag has been in transit for about 2 days. And I think the virus sits on, I'm going to have to look this up, but I'm going to wait a day or two before I do decide to make a video cleaning it up. But I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter, right? I'm already touching it anyway. But the bag is beautiful. I'm so excited. Comment down below what you guys think about this bag. Do you guys like it? Is this a bag you guys like? Ever since, like, I've just been in love with the silhouette. And recently I've been watching Catfish on MTV, and I always forget what her name is, but she has the same bag, the Saint Laurent, but I think she has, I don't know if it's all black or if it has like a different colored handle. Like it might be like the black with like the snakeskin handle. I don't remember, but I just know that she has this size of the Saint Laurent, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. So I had to get my hands on one, so I'm very, very excited to have these in my hot little hands. Again, I have been searching for this bag for so long. I've been trying to get it as cheap as possible. This is literally the cheapest I have ever seen it. And in the color and the style that I want, because I specifically really wanted it to be stamped and not, or embossed and not heat stamped, because the heat stamping, for anything that's heat stamped, there's always a chance of it coming off. And this I think is a little bit more permanent. And plus the leather on this is so amazing. Oh, I'm so excited. It just needs a good conditioning and a good cleaning, and then it's going to be good to go. So, there's the bag. I cannot wait. Oh, I cannot wait to actually use this, but I'm just going to like carry it around the house. This is so cute. I'm going to like put like my phone in here, my Apple Pencil, just like walk around the house. I don't know, I'm like going crazy. But yeah, oh my gosh, it looks so good on camera. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so you didn't come with a dust bag or anything that I can see, which again is totally fine with me. I still got such a great price on it. At least it came with a lock and it came with the keys, and that is awesome. Plus authentication from Poshmark. So thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today and checking out what I ended up getting. I know the state of the world is just like in disarray right now, and this video is kind of just meant to like kind of like uplift you guys and take your mind off of the day-to-day. I have just been watching a lot of like unboxings, handbag collections. Art videos have been so therapeutic. I've just been watching so many like people painting and drawing. I'm just like, I want to paint and draw too, and I still haven't, so I think I'm going to very soon. And yeah, so again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys so much. Comment down below if you guys have been purchasing anything online recently. I am definitely guilty of purchasing some things, so you're going to be seeing a couple more unboxings and hopefully some handbag rehabs, because I bought some things that need a little bit of a fixing up in for the reason of being able to do a handbag rehab. So that should be pretty fun. But that's the end of the video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check out more videos. I have new ones coming out every single day. I have a new video tomorrow bright and early at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And I have been posting every day this whole year. So lots of videos coming up. Hopefully this quarantine ends so we can go thrifting again, because I miss it. Love you guys immensely. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye!